Nora ji. Nora ma'am. Ma'am. Nora wait. Nora यहाँ. Ma'am. Wait. Nora wait. Nora wait. थोड़ा पीछे नोरा. Nora ji. Nora wait. Nora look your back. Nora wait. Wait na. Nora.
को तारे गिनते गिनते सो गया, दिल मेरा धड़का था कस के, कुछ कहा था तूने हंस के, मैं उसी पल तेरा हो गया। आसमानों पे जो खुदा है उससे मेरी यही दुआ है, चांद ये हर रोज मैं देखूं तेरे साथ में। आंख उठी मोहब्बत ने अंगड़ाई ली, दिल का सौदा हुआ चांदनी रात में। तेरी नजरों ने कुछ ऐसा जादू किया, लुट गए हम तो पहली मुलाकात में। थैंक यू।
Hello. Zubin sir, is Shubhra here? Zubin sir. Shubhra here from Yes Data News.
Hi.
मुझे आपसे ये पूछना है कि हम हर एक सॉन्ग में आपको देखते हैं, वो सैड हो, हैप्पीनेस हो, सो इस जो सॉन्ग्स में आप कैसे फीलिंग्स लाती है, ये मेरा सवाल है आपसे।
देखिए, जब मैंने शुरू करा था गाना उस वक्त मुझे पता नहीं था कि मैं इतने सारे जॉनर्स निभा पाऊँगा, गा पाऊँगा। द क्रेडिट गोज़ टू भूषण सर। He pushes me every time to try new things and do different genres, and we end up creating magic every time. Yeah.
Superb. Thank you everyone.
गाने तो हम करते ही रहते हैं, बट व्हेन वी गॉट दिस सॉन्ग, राधिका जी ने कहा था कि हम जब व्हेन भूषण जी गेव इट टू अस दिस सॉन्ग एंड इट वाज वी हर्ड इट इन आवर कार एंड वी से इट्स जस्ट is blockbuster, it was no words for it, and then when we start visualizing a song and all, but when Bhushan ji said Imran sir is going to be part of it and all, there is a we've done songs with stars earlier, but we really truly experienced what a star can make the whole difference to a great song or a great concept. Yes, our concept was good, yes, our whatever how we shot it, but what Imran sir brought it, it's took it to this level which success is happening is, yes, great song, great dreams and everything, but the sheer star power and sheer fan base which Imran sir has got in India and across the continent, when we read the remarks, I think it's magical. I think the real star power what it did to this song is truly belongs to Imran sir and his fans.
राधिका जी, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
सर, हम तो बस वाव वाव कह रहे थे हमेशा कैमरा के पीछे। मैं भी उन लड़कियों में से खड़ी हुई थी एक्चुअली। So I must tell Imran sir this. But jokes apart, as Vinay ji says that we worked with a lot of stars before when we do songs, but Imran sir is very kind when he says that, because उन्होंने हमें कभी सवाल नहीं किया कि हम लोग क्यों टाइम लगा रहे हैं, नहीं लगा रहे हैं। आई थिंक पहले दिन आए थे, उन्होंने कहा मैं इतने घंटे करता हूँ, फिर हमने कहा सर, और दूसरे दिन से उन्होंने हमें पूछना भी बंद कर दिया। एंड द थिंग इज़ दैट ही यूज्ड टू जस्ट सिट क्वाइटली, नेवर stress us out कि जाना है। एंड यू नो it's such a big help when you know that the actors just standing there and just letting you realize your vision. And we really want to, we keep discussing this, Vinay and us, that apart from the fact that he always brought the scenes to life, and we felt it more actually on the edit, जब हम editing पे बैठे and we realized all the little touches that Imran sir added. I remember that scene when Yukti goes and puts the beer on his chest, and we didn't realize that Imran sir just does this little grimace, because we were in such a hurry to shoot, and then there were all these little shots when we realized actually Imran sir just doesn't talk much and he's very quiet, and we keep yapping, but at the end of the day actually he puts in almost 50-60% into the scene. So truly it was just an amazing experience. And in this whole thing, I want to thank one gentleman called Sunny sir. Where is Sunny sir? Sunny sir, he's like a real doll. He made sure that on the last day we were worried because we thought we knew we were going to really extend it by 3-4 hours, and we had this chat. And he says, "Don't worry, चौथे दिन मैं आऊँगा, आप अपनी पूरी shooting करो." And I think he sat there. So thank you, Sunny sir, for everything that you did for us. And that's it. It was just, and we're waiting for Yukti also to come so that. And that's another thing I want to tell you is Yukti, it was the first time that she was shooting and her hands were like ice cold. She was frozen with fear. And then Imran sir was like so kind. He said, "I was worse than you on my first day of first shot." After that, she started smiling and then she shot through all the 4 days very, very happily. So